iHelp Incorporated originated in Rome, Georgia, and is the organization where only real people give real help. And iHelp was brought about to create unity and at the same time drive out poverty. And you're probably wondering just how are we planning to do just that, when all we've been taught is go to work, and work usually consists of 8-hour shifts and have known to have grown to 10-hour shifts, and at time past 12-hour shifts. And some of these jobs are mandatory 7 days a week, and 7 days a week could usually leave you tired, feeling a bit lazy, sometimes too tired and lazy to work on your own dreams. But still and yet, we've heard you have to work hard for your earnings. But thank God it's a new day. It's even a new year, and you have all you need, literally, in the palm of your hands. And what I mean is your cell phone, your mobile phone, your mobile devices, which carry all of our social media platforms, which keep us connected to friends and family, loved ones that we don't even know. But how does this solve the problem? How does this even create unity in our community? How does this even drive out the poverty in our community? Well, quick story. I, D. George, the founder of iHelp Incorporated, have shaken their hands, sat down, and spoke with individuals such as Shaquille Wiggins, Brandon Stringer, Rico McDaniel, Justin Owens, and Mr. Haziq Ali. And what I love about these guys, that they have in common with individuals like us, that they've been through the same struggle we have when it comes to desired time when it's spent with our kids. The same struggles we have when it comes to working for others that we don't want to work for. The same struggles of living a dream that we don't even have the money for. But then again, in common, these guys, they all invested their time and their money into an industry that created this passive income. And not only the passive income, it created 6 figures, allowing them to be 6-figure entrepreneurs. Working in this industry, we want to get you connected to these individuals so they can speak with you, change your mindset, and have you to live life abundantly as they have. Only because we know it works. It's the industry of online marketing. And it's simple. You start a business account. You use these services, benefits and services, and you refer them to others. And amongst referring them to others, when you do so, you earn. And the time is now. Right now. Because nearly everyone has dreams. But almost no one has the funds to achieve those dreams. Why? Because we're busy being the consumers. We're spending money with big businesses simply because there's almost a holiday every month of the year, which leaves us spending, and not even worried about right now the birthdays. We're just spending because of the holidays, which in turns leave the big businesses getting rich, more rich, richer, however you want to say it. But the time is now that we, ourselves, because we've been hoping, praying, and dreaming a long while now. For the government, they're not doing what they say they would. And the only way for us as a community or a nation, at the same time, create unity and drive out the poverty, is to be able to make a stand for ourselves. And only the real people will give you the real help. And I help.